Hey there, Sanko. Everybody, hope you guys are doing good. In this video, we're going to be talking about the future of NFTs. Now, 2019, 2020, 2021, huge years for NFTs. Like, we're talking, people are spending millions of dollars on NFTs. People are creating all this crazy art with millions of pixels. And so, there's this crazy thing being done with NFTs. And there's a lot of links to private clubs with certain NFTs. So, that was the utility for NFTs then. As you might have seen in this channel, if you haven't seen already, do check them out. I talk a little bit about NFTs and that there is a utility for NFTs, and it might be way too early in the world right now about what we can do with NFTs then. However, now because I'm in the industry, I'm part of the crypto world heavily. I'm seeing some new use cases for NFTs. So in this video, we're going to talk about that. Without any further ado, let's get this video started. So one of the really good use cases right now is SBT, which is known as soul-bound tokens. Soul-bound tokens, in essence, are like an identity. Right now in the crypto world, you have your wallet, but that's not really an identity. It doesn't talk about who you are and something about you. Now imagine in the Web3 world, there's an entire social media platform, such something like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, but there is not a proper way of disclosing from a crypto perspective, a Web3 perspective, a coded perspective, a ledger perspective, your identity. That is solved through SBTs. So you can have an SBT enabled there where somebody can scan into it or look up that code and knows everything in regards to what you want to show them encrypted within your profile. For example, right now if you go on Instagram, you can take any artist's or anybody's picture, put it up as yours, and nobody will know it's yours or theirs. Correct? It's a JPEG. Boom, boom, boom. No one knows. However, when SBTs are launched, the original will always be linked to an identity of an. So let's just say there's an NFT. That original is always going to be linked to an identity, and that identity could be something like SBT, where you can establish that, and that can help connect every single asset that you own, or picture that you own, or communication that you own. Where there's a reality to it. Now, right now it might be like, oh, it's like an overkill, but think about it when really big superstars are starting to establish this for their own content, so nobody can steal their content, right? So there's this angle. Now imagine this being linked with the secondary thing, which is fractional ownership. Now there's a lot of work being done where real estate projects across the world are giving chance to people to invest into real estate where they can make appreciation and rental income um, from anywhere in the world. For example, you have a non-custodial wallet. Let's say you have Sahel wallet or you have Trust wallet, and you invest in this one of these NFT fractional ownership property all the way in Romania or Bulgaria or Dubai. And now you've already invested in it. They know that this person owns it, and this person really is just a wallet address because they're not going to do KYC. Now, due to that, you own a property in Dubai for, let's say, $10,000. You don't have to give the entire amount because it's fractional ownership. Now your $10,000 isn't a real estate asset in another country which you're starting to make profit off of. So this is another thing with NFTs that is coming up, okay, and it's already happening. You can already buy commodities. You can already buy real estate. You can already buy other forms of assets through NFTs. Now link that with an SBT, then they know exactly which person owns this, and there's no confusion, no control, no other BS involved. There's blockchain involved, and that's going to protect this asset for you until you sell it off to somebody else, right? So all this work is being done. Now, on top of this, another layer is coming on, which is like AI. So imagine an AI solution where you can develop your own artwork or creative perspective, whatever you want to do, into an art, and then that art becomes into an NFT, and then you can sell it off forward, right? So now, so this isn't really an advancement from an NFT perspective. This is an advancement like on top of NFTs, and there's multiple things like this that are going to come in the future where they're going to be on top of NFTs, where you can use this and then this and then this and this, and I mean AI is one of them, and AI is going to probably grow this a lot faster, and you can use this AI, you can use this AI, you can use this AI, and establish this new product, put it onto an NFT, and then push it forward. So pretty much just want to give you guys a little bit of update on this. Do study these things and do check them out because there are people who are already making profit from it. If you got questions about this, or if you got opinions about this, or if you know about this, put it in the comments below so other people can benefit from. And if you want to check it out yourself, just search it up, and I'm pretty sure there's gonna be solutions. If you want me to bring potential solutions to you guys, like what would I put my money in? Let me know, inshallah, in the comments. Or go to my social media, DM me about it, and inshallah I'll check it out and let you guys know more about it. As always, take care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum.